Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQ on Article 32, 33, 34 and 35. First question, which article of the Indian Constitution provides the right to constitutional remedies? Correct answer, Article 32. Article 32 guarantees the right to constitutional remedies, allowing individuals to directly approach the Supreme Court in case of violation of fundamental rights. This article acts as the protector and guarantor of fundamental rights. Next question. Under Article 32, a citizen has the right to move to which court in case of violation of fundamental rights? Correct answer, Supreme Court. Article 32 empowers individuals to move directly to the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights. It ensures speedy and effective protection of rights. Next question. Article 32 is considered a basic feature of the Constitution because correct answer, it guarantees the enforcement of fundamental rights. The Supreme Court has held that Article 32 is part of the basic structure of the Constitution. Parliament cannot amend or remove it as it is essential to protect citizens' rights. Next question. Who described Article 32 as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, B. R. Ambedkar. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, referred to Article 32 as the heart and soul of the Constitution. Next question. Under Article 32, which power is given to the Supreme Court for enforcement of fundamental rights? Correct answer, power to issue writs. The Supreme Court can issue 5 types of writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto. These writs are legal remedies for violation of fundamental rights. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives High Courts the power to issue writs? Correct answer, Article 226. Article 226 empowers High Courts to issue writs for enforcement of fundamental rights as well as for any other purpose. Next question. Which article empowers Parliament to modify the application of fundamental rights to armed forces and police? Correct answer, Article 33. Article 33 allows Parliament to restrict or modify fundamental rights of armed forces, police forces, and intelligence agencies. Next question. Under which article can restrictions be imposed on fundamental rights when martial law is in force? Correct answer, Article 34. Article 34 provides that when martial law is in force in any area, Parliament may restrict the operation of fundamental rights. This is a safeguard to maintain law and order in extraordinary situations. Your last question. Which article provides for Parliament to make laws giving effect to fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 35. Article 35 empowers to make laws for implementing certain fundamental rights such as prescribing punishment for human trafficking, punishing employment of children below 14 years in hazardous industries. This ensures uniformity of laws across the country. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel.